My name is Larissa. My 7.5-year-old boy was diagnosed first with a speech delay when he was 1 year old. And immediately we started speech therapy. Then when he was 3 and we moved here from Miami, he was diagnosed with PDD NOS, which is a pervasive developmental disorder not otherwise specified. That's when we start this crazy road. And my husband and I were both doctors, so he was tested for everything that you can imagine. I saw a commercial about Dr. Mañé, and it made a lot of sense when he was explaining if you can exercise your body, if you can exercise your lungs, your heart, why not to exercise your brain? And I was like, well, it's not gonna hurt, it's not invasive, and let's give it a try. We started therapy like 4 months ago at the end of March. And the first thing that we noticed is that the first week he was able to sleep all night. And that's amazing. Because in the past, he was, waking up in the middle of the night with all this energy. A lot of kids in the spectrum, they just, wake up in the middle of the night. They have a lot of problems with sleep. Again, we try everything, melatonin, like relaxation techniques, everything under the sun. And this was the only thing that worked since the beginning. A lot of us, are willing to try all these therapies, including the invasive ones. If you go ahead and do something like IV chelation for your, for your child, if you're willing to do that, go ahead. I'm not telling, I did it, for my son, and I love my son with all my heart. Be aware that there's other non-invasive, techniques that may help as well, or even better, without the risk. That's the reason why we decided, to come to Dr. Mañé and do the therapy, because we call it a brain gym. He is exercising the brain. So basically, he is, and with the help of the natural supplement, it's a more natural, less invasive, and it works. So I cannot imagine not trying. Actually, I blame myself not to do it before. The other thing that I like about Dr. Mañé is that he really has a necessity. He really wants to help. When you are deep into this diagnosis, you're gonna find people that really wanna help, and you're gonna find people that really want your money. So that's the reason why you need to be very, very, very careful, where you put your money and your kids' health as well.